Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Srivastava and today we are going to study about law of conservation of linear momentum. Please watch this video till the end, subscribe it and press the bell icon. So now we are going to start the law of conservation of linear momentum. Linear momentum. So, what is meant by momentum? Momentum is represented by P and it is equal to mv. It is the product of mass and velocity, and here we are talking about linear momentum, so in a straight line. So, according to the law of conservation of momentum, if there are two bodies A and B which are colliding, then the momentum remains conserved. According to it, the momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision if m1 and m2 are the masses of the two bodies, u1 and u2 are the initial velocities of the bodies, and v1 and v2 are respectively the final velocities of the two bodies, then according to the law of conservation of momentum, our equation will be m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, where m1 m2 equal to masses of bodies, u1 u2 initial velocities, and v1 v2 final velocities. So this is our statement for the law of conservation of linear momentum. Momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. Now we are going to do questions based on this. So I am rubbing the board. So suppose there is a body of mass 1 kg moving with a velocity 2 meter per second, collides with another body of mass 2 kg and moving with 1 meter per second. After collision, both bodies stick together and move with velocity v. We have to find v. So this is our question. So you can see the question: a body of mass 1 kg moving with a velocity of 2 meter per second, collides with another body of mass 2 kg and moving with 1 meter per second. After collision, both the bodies stick together and move with velocity v. We have to find this common velocity v or the final velocity v. So first we'll write the given things. So the mass of the first body m1 is 1 kg. It is moving with the initial velocity u1 2 meter per second. The second body is of mass 2 kg moving with initial velocity of 1 meter per second. So the final velocity will be v, which we have to find. And here v1 is equal to v2 equal to v, which we have to find. So according to the law of conservation of linear momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 plus m2 into the common velocity, that is v. So substituting the values now, 1 into the velocity u1 is 2 plus 2 into 1 equal to m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2 into v. So it becomes 2 plus 2 equal to 3v. So it becomes 4 is equal to 3v. v is equal to 4 upon 3. So this is our velocity 4 by 3 meter per second. So both the bodies after sticking together will move with the final velocity 4 by 3 meter per second in the forward direction. So this is our answer. So now we are doing another question. So I am rubbing the board. So a body of mass 1 kg is moving with velocity 4 meter per second and collides with a body of mass 2 kg at rest. After collision, both the bodies stick together and move with velocity v. We have to find v. So this is our next question. A body of mass 1 kg moving with a velocity of 4 meter per second and collides with a body of mass 2 kg at rest. After collision, both the bodies stick together and move with velocity v. We have to find the final velocity v. So I am rubbing the board to write the given things. First we'll write the given things. So the given things will be the mass of the first body is 1 kg and was moving with the initial velocity of 4 meter per second. The second body was of mass 2 kg it was initially at rest, so u2 is 0, and they move with the final velocity, that is v, so v1 is equal to v2 equal to v, and this we have to find. Now applying the law of conservation of linear momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 plus m2 into v. We have to find v. Now substituting the values, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 0 equal to m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2 into v. Solving it, 4 plus 0 equal to 3v. So v is equal to 4 upon 3. So this meter per second. This is the final velocity with which the two bodies will move. So this is our answer. We can revise it once more. m1 is the mass of first body, that is 1 kg. u1 is the initial velocity of first body moving with 4 meter per second. Second body is of mass 2 kg. Initially it was at rest, so u2 is equal to 0, initial velocity of the second body. And v1 and v2 will be equal to v, the final velocity with which both stick together and move. We have to find v. So we are applying the law of conservation of linear momentum. m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 plus m2 into v. Substituting the values, 1 into 4 plus 2, mass is 2 of the second body. u2, the initial velocity of the second body was 0 because it was initially at rest, it is 0, is equal to m1, mass is of 1 kg, m2 is of 2 into v. Solving it, 4 is equal to 3v. So v is equal to 4 upon 3 meter per second. So this is our final answer. So I think you all might have understood this. Please watch this video till the end. Subscribe the bell icon and subscribe me and press the bell icon. Thank you.